Alright, what's up everybody? So as some of you may know, some of you may not, I took a pretty good rollover in West Virginia. Would have been 2 days ago, Saturday. Today's Monday. I'm getting dozens of messages and I'm seeing Facebook posts about it, so I kind of wanted to get on here and let you know what was happening, what was going on. That way you kind of heard it straight from us. I'll get into the video, but here's the machine. The cage did a fabulous job. If you're not familiar with our channel, we build these cages right here in this very garage, so very thankful for the cage. There's some stuff that, yeah, go ahead and open the door. The door is the door broke. That's broke. The bulkhead got pushed back when I nosedived. The plastic got ripped out. You can see the bulkhead is bent there. A lot of the damage is back here. The roof, a couple bolts come out of the roof. The cage took a hit here, over there.
The whole machine at one point was just on this piece.
Yeah, the rear bumper's tweaked.
Not much.
The majority of the issues are down here. The axle let go, the trailing arm. Trailing arm is ruined. Radius rods are junk.
The trailing arm's cracked, right?
Yeah, the trailing arm is cracked down there. So I'll get into the video here. I'll let you guys see it. My cooler went flying about 60 feet into the creek. The cooler actually almost hit Sherry as she was running away from it. So this is
But you're okay.
yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I am. Yeah, I am good. I am sore. I'm okay. I got X-rays on my neck. My neck is good. Just some whiplash from the rollover. So that I'm very thankful for. Had my helmet on. Had my harness on. Always, if you're gonna do stuff like that, always have your harness on. Always wear your helmet, no matter what. But yeah, my seat is also in there crooked. I should show you that. Somehow my seat got in there twisted. I'll have to look at the bolts. Tim looked over it and said that one of the bolts was bent. So it was a hard hit. So I'm not going to keep you. I know everyone pretty much tuned into this video to see the rollover. So just know I've been seeing a lot of posts. I am okay. It was not a fun rollover, but I'll get into the video here. I'll let you see exactly what happened. And I also know that we're probably going to get a little bit of hate for climbing a waterfall. I'm not the first one to climb it. I'm not going to be the last one to climb it. It's a runoff. Yeah, it looks cool. It's cool to take pictures of it. It's all solid rock. We're not going to ruin it by climbing it. So if you want to hate on us, but we weren't the only ones climbing it that day. So we were driving by, saw someone trying to climb it, thought it looked cool, gave it a shot. Didn't work out for me. So I'll let you watch the video, and just know that this video here is just of my rollover. There's going to be a full series of videos from that weekend coming out later, but I wanted to get this out to let you guys know that me and the machine are good. So it's probably going to be a week and a half or so, and our videos from this weekend will be posted. We have like a handful of videos coming out, and you'll see that again in a later video, but I wanted to throw this out here right now just to let you know what happened, let you know we're good, in case you're seeing all the posts. And for everybody that reached out to me and asked if I was good, thank you, I appreciate it. So we'll get in the video. I'll let you see what happened.